Okay, example number 2 for the circle. Determine the standard form of equation of the circle. So we all know that the standard form of equation of the circle is, ano yun? X minus K ba o minus H? Minus H. Tandaan nyo na si X, lagi niya kasama si H. So X minus H squared plus Y minus K squared is equal to R squared. Okay, class. Kung nagtataka kayo saan nanggaling itong equation na to, may proving para dyan. So, hindi ko na ituturo yun kasi medyo mahaba yun. At may video ako noon, pero hindi ko mapopost kasi kasama ko yung mga students ko. So, this is the standard form of equation of the circle. So, just simply substitute natin dito. So, we all know na wala namang given point. So, direct na tayo. We all know that the center has a point of H and K. Has a coordinate of H and K. So, substitute natin. X, wala namang maisa-substitute kay X kasi wala namang given points. Minus, yung center natin, that is H and K. So, alam natin na ito ay H at yung 7 ay K. So, minus negative 2 squared plus y minus, ano yung K natin? That is 7. Minus 7 squared is equal to, ano yung radius? That is 4. So, 4 is squared. Substitute lang and then, simplify natin muna ito bago tayo pumunta sa tinatawag nating equation. So, therefore, x, negative times negative, always remember, negative number multiplied by negative number, always positive number. So, therefore, plus 2 squared plus y minus 7 squared is equal to, what is 4 squared? That is not 8. Hindi yan 4 times 2. Okay, this is the exponent and this one is the base. So, nakadepende si base kay exponent. Kung ilan yung exponent, yun yung ilang beses imumultiply ni base yung sarili niya. So, dahil ang exponent is 2 or the power of 4 is 2, so therefore 4 times 4, that is 16. So, this will be the standard form of equation of a circle given the center negative 2, 7 and radius 4. Bakit hindi natin ginamit yung x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared? Kasi gagamitin mo lang ito kapag given ang center ay 0, 0.
Hindi ka ano?
Hindi. Kasi ay standard equation ito. Gagawin natin ganyan. Given ito. Pag general form, kailangan mo yan i-FOIL method.
Continue na.
Standard form, ano ba yung standard form ng circle?
Hindi, tinatanong ko nga kung ganito ay, miss. Bracket.
Bracket kasi may, ang ginamit na dito ay, kapag gumamit ka na sa loob ng, anong tawag dito? Parenthesis, ang gagamitin mo na dyan is ganyan. Pero pares lang naman yan. Kung gusto mo, hindi ganyan. Okay, so this will be the standard form of equation of a circle, x minus 2 squared plus y minus 7 squared is equal to 16 given the center, negative 2, 7 and radius 4. Ngayon, ito na yung sagot natin. Ngayon, kapag hinanap ang general form, kailangan mo muna expand ito or gumamit ka ng FOIL method. Okay? So this will be the example number 2 in the circle.